I apologize in advance for today's notes. My voice is gone, so please pay attention closely. We're going to just take some notes, and then we're going to do quizzes. So we're going to start off the notes by writing this down. I want everybody to write this down. This is the slope-intercept form is called y equals mx plus b. You're writing it on page 14 or whatever page is available for you to write on. You can pause the video to write all this down and then press play when you're ready. M is the slope. Oops, that's too big. M is the slope. It is the number in front of the X. Okay? If it has a letter with it, that's the slope. It's also called the rate of change. The B is the number by itself without a letter. Okay? That is called the y-intercept. It's where you start. It's the starting point. And it is the initial value. Okay? Valor inicial. The initial value. So if you're not done, make sure you pause and so you can write everything down. Next, we learned this a while back. What is a function? Okay, a function is when x does not repeat. When x does not repeat. So for instance, if I have a table, or two tables, I'm going to make two tables, and then we're going to say which one is and which one isn't a function. If I have these tables, go ahead and write them down. I have two tables here. One of those is a function and one of those is not a function. If a function is something where the x does not repeat, then I'm only looking at the x's. Okay, these x's did not repeat. So this is a function. Yes, this is a function. This one, the x is repeated. So this is not a function. Okay? Again, you can pause if I'm going too fast, and then press play when you're ready. On the next page, redox. Redox is something just for us to remember that range is the y's. Range is the y, and domain is the x, right? That's just something for us to remember. Range is the y, domain is the x. So if I ever say redox, that should remind you that we're talking about range is y, domain is x. And then dollar ribbit, okay, dollar, DLR, means domain is from left to right. Okay, that means we're looking like this, from here all the way to here. What number is this? What number is this? Ribbit is range is bottom to top. So range, bottom to top. De abajo para arriba. So it's like this, from the bottom all the way to the top. okay? Again, you can pause if I'm going too fast. Press play when you're ready. Okay, so one more thing. These are also on my wall. Okay, just in case you forget, they're on my wall. If it's a closed circle or a solid line, you have to have equal to at the bottom. If it's open circle or dotted line, it does not equal to. So make sure you write this down. When you are finished, we're doing a quizzes. That is a review for tomorrow's test. It is very important that you ask questions if you don't understand, because those type of questions are going to be on the test tomorrow. And that is a major grade that goes in the grade book for your progress report. Okay, so when you're ready, I'm going to put, you need to go to join.quizzes.com, and I'm going to put the code up for you to start it.